Oh, the what? Why were they in the kayak? Did we eat them on the pond? Did we eat them on the pond? Oh, yeah. That's where I was like, oh crap, I don't know. Yeah, I'm like, I don't think this was a good idea. Yeah, that's driving on mushrooms is not a good idea because I can't focus on anything. But yeah, I do. Yeah, didn't we both drive to the pond? Yeah, yeah, we did. Probably. Yeah, it was like a Saturday, I think. I do remember singing karaoke one night, but that was might have been after a game. Yeah, that yeah, we both did, and then I was singing, and I sound so bad in karaoke. And the guy's like, I need people to sing, so I'm like, all right, I will. The whole bar's like, oh God, what's wrong with this guy? I just come out to karaoke nights. But now that I have a karaoke machine, I can get better at it. Only cost $10. Well, I got it at yeah, the lawn sale. It looked like they used it like twice. So it's gonna be yeah. I feel like it was big here about 15 years ago for a while when that karaoke movie came out. Like Huey Lewis and Gwyneth Paltrow. Remember that? I don't know, but after that, I think every bar had karaoke night where the guy would show up like, okay, I'll sing the first song. Whoa. Hey, where's all the nudists? Where are they? It's that time of year. Every pond and lake and river has nudists. Oh, I think she heard me. Yeah, I like kayaks because they move along and don't get blown around. Like a canoe gets blown around, but definitely a kayak just flows right through the water. There you go, Tingle. A flower child. Nudist. Or something's in that tree. Maybe not. There's the dude. I thought something was in the tree. It's like, we're together. Hello.